We are now inside the pleated belt filter section of the system, and this is what the fine dust filter media is for. This here is a pleated belt. It has a PTFE membrane on it. This particular size machine right here, and this is about a 30,000 CFM machine right here, this 4-cell wide. It has 4 cells in it and thousands of square feet of filter media. So we're allowed to run the air filter cloth rate or filter rate very low in here, ensuring we get a very fine cleaning ability through this filter. Now, the fine dust that went through the rotary screen comes this way and is deposited on the filter media. As you can see, the pleats are very close together. Now, even though it is fine dust, that fine dust would clog these pleats totally up and no air would go through it unless we cleaned it. As soon as we get a big filter cake on here, this machine senses the pressure drop and it says, I need to clean. Now, normally it would clean cell number 1 to start with and work its way across, but because of the position that we're at, we have to show you this cell right here because this is the only one you can see. So this dense filter media is actually going to rotate like a conveyor around this cell right here is what we call it. Now, the way it works is when it rotates and goes around the bottom and the top pulleys, it's going to open up, sort of like my fingers open up. That gives more space in between for a vacuum slot in the floor to suck the dirt and dust actually out from between the pleats. Now, to assist that mechanism, we also have a pulser in the pulley that actually pulses at the same time. That way, when this filter media goes around the pulley on the bottom, it almost cleans it back all the way down to brand new. That's why we like to use PTFE membrane on the filter media, because that doesn't require a dust cake for high filtration efficiency. Jim, if you would, I'd just like to see the media rotate. I'm hoping you can see that. You can see the media is actually rotating around the cell. Now, if we had the air pressure on, you would hear a pulsing going on down here in the floor.